Welcome to Health Tips. Today, we're diving deep into the top 3 exercises and their variations. That should be your go-to for sculpting a truly aesthetic body. What does an aesthetic body mean, you ask? It's that perfectly balanced physique that grabs attention: broad shoulders, a defined V-shaped torso, thick and muscular arms, a powerful chest, and yes, legs that match the upper body's strength and symmetry. It's about creating harmony and symmetry through focused training, and today, we're going to break down the science of how to achieve it. Building an aesthetic physique isn't just about working out, it's about working out with purpose. These exercises are tried and true, but it's their variations and how you incorporate them into your routine that make all the difference. Exercise 1. The bench press. The bench press is the cornerstone of chest development and upper body strength. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, this exercise is unparalleled for building mass and definition. But here's the secret: it's not just about the standard bench press. The real magic lies in the variations. Let's break them down. 1. Incline bench press. This variation targets your upper chest muscles. By adjusting the bench to an incline of 30-45 degrees, you shift the focus to the upper pectorals, creating that lifted, well-defined chest that screams aesthetics. Use dumbbells for an even greater range of motion and control. 2. Decline bench press. The decline bench press is a game changer for targeting the lower chest. It adds depth and fullness to your chest, especially for those looking to perfect the beach body look. 3. Wide grip bench press. Want to emphasize the outer peaks and shorten the range of motion? The wide grip bench press is your answer. This variation is ideal for creating the illusion of a broader chest and a V-tapered torso. 4. Close grip bench press. By narrowing your grip, you engage your triceps more while still working your chest. This variation is fantastic for building upper body strength and balancing aesthetics with functionality. No chest workout is complete without the bench press in its many forms. Incorporate these variations to ensure every angle of your chest gets attention. But don't stop here. The next exercise will take your back and biceps to new heights. Exercise 2. Pull-ups. If the bench press is the king of chest exercises, the pull-up reigns supreme for back development. A wide, sculpted back is essential for an aesthetic physique, and nothing delivers quite like pull-ups. But there's more to pull-ups than just pulling yourself up. Variations make all the difference. 1. Weighted chin-up. Add weight to your pull-ups for a challenge that will skyrocket your back and bicep development. Use a dip belt, a weighted vest, or simply hold a dumbbell between your legs to up the ante. 2. Archer pull-up. This advanced variation mimics the motion of drawing a bow and arrow, making it a killer move for unilateral strength and stability. Plus, it looks super cool when performed correctly. 3. L-sit pull-up. Combine core strength with back training by performing pull-ups with your legs extended straight out in front of you. This move not only strengthens your lats, but also chisels your lower abs. 4. Commando pull-up. Grasp the bar with an alternating grip and pull yourself up, bringing your head to one side of the bar and then the other. This variation emphasizes oblique engagement while still targeting your lats and biceps. Pull-ups are a non-negotiable exercise if you're chasing that coveted V-shaped torso. They're not just about strength, they're about aesthetics, endurance, and control. Exercise 3. Squats. Let's not forget about the legs. An aesthetic body is incomplete without a powerful lower body to match the upper. Squats are the ultimate lower body exercise, and their variations make them suitable for all fitness levels. 1. Back squat. This classic squat variation is a staple for building strength and size in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. The weight placement on your upper back ensures a significant load, challenging your core and stabilizing muscles. 2. Front squat. Shift the barbell to the front, resting it on your shoulders. This variation engages your core and upper back more while still targeting your lower body. It's fantastic for improving posture and leg symmetry. 3. Bulgarian split squat. This single leg squat is brutal in the best way possible. Elevate your back foot on a bench, grab a pair of dumbbells, and feel the burn in your quads and glutes. It's perfect for addressing muscle imbalances and improving stability. 4. Goblet squat with bands. Add resistance bands to your goblet squat to make it more challenging. This variation combines upper and lower body strength, helping you build both muscle mass and endurance. 5. Sissy squat. Don't let the name fool you. This is a hardcore move. The sissy squat isolates your quads like no other, giving them that rounded, aesthetic look. Leg day might not be your favorite, but it's absolutely crucial for achieving a proportional and symmetrical physique. Plus, squats don't just build muscle, they improve mobility, balance, and overall athletic performance. The secret sauce: cardio and consistency. Here's the truth about an aesthetic body. It's not just about lifting weights. To truly showcase the muscle you've worked so hard to build, you need to maintain a low body fat percentage. And that's where cardio comes into play. For me, I dedicate 4 cardio sessions each week, ranging from 20 to 40 minutes. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or even a high-intensity interval training session, cardio helps me stay lean and reveal muscle definition. But cardio isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about heart health, endurance, and overall fitness. A strong cardiovascular system will support your weightlifting and help you recover faster between sets. Beyond the big 3, bonus exercises. While the bench press, pull-up, and squat are the foundation of an aesthetic body, you shouldn't limit yourself to just these 3. Let's talk about 2 bonus exercises that can elevate your physique. 1. Deadlifts. The deadlift is the ultimate full-body exercise. It targets your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, traps, and forearms. Performing deadlifts regularly will improve your posture, core strength, and overall power. Variations like sumo deadlifts and Romanian deadlifts allow you to target specific muscle groups more effectively. 2. Overhead press. This exercise focuses on your shoulders, delts, and upper chest, helping you achieve that broad-shouldered look. Variations like the push press or seated dumbbell press can add variety and intensity to your shoulder workouts. Crafting your routine. Now that you have a roadmap of exercises, let's talk about structuring your routine. Here's a sample weekly plan. Day 1, upper body, push. Focus on bench press variations, overhead press, and tricep work. Day 2, lower body, pull. Squats, deadlifts, and hamstring curls dominate this day. Day 3, cardio and core. Include a mix of HIIT and core-focused exercises like planks, Russian twists, and hanging leg raises. Day 4, upper body, pull. Pull-ups, chin-ups, and rows take center stage. Day 5, lower body, push. Front squats, Bulgarian split squats, and calf raises round out this day. Day 6, active recovery. Incorporate yoga, stretching, or light cardio to keep your body moving and promote recovery. Day 7, rest or optional cardio. Allow your body to recover fully or engage in light activity. Achieving an aesthetic body isn't just about hitting the gym, it's about doing so with purpose, consistency, and passion. Master the basics, explore variations, and don't shy away from pushing your limits. Pair your training with a balanced diet, adequate rest, and a positive mindset, and you'll see the results you're striving for. Ready to take it a step further? Watch my next video, where I'll deep dive into the benefits of deadlifts and how to incorporate them into your routine for maximum gains. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your fitness journey. Thanks for watching.